Hi, I'm Erika, owner of Paragon Wraps. I'm also known as the Wrap Kitty. I've been installing for going on 8 years now. I've had my shop for a little over a year, and I want to tell you why I use Luxe LightWraps in my shop. Before LightWrap, I've tried one other product that was almost greenish in color instead of a smoke shade, and in comparison, it did not have very good air egress compared to Luxe LightWrap. I started seeing it pop up on social media quite a bit, and it seemed like a no-brainer for the ease of install and the shades that they offered. I really like the shade options that they offer, and they also have a really cool FX line that is really fun. They also have a really nice air egress feature, which makes it super easy to install. I really like Luxe LightWrap for the versatility. Not only do I use it for headlights and taillights, I like to use it for chrome deletes and other parts that would give it a different finish than just a regular vinyl. Luxe LightWrap has been very user-friendly and easy to install. They also have a lot of resources online if you've never done any kind of installs before. They also offer a lot of pre-cut templates too to make your install even easier. I love LightWrap, I recommend it all the time, and it's my first choice for anybody looking for smoked headlights or taillights. My personal favorite is the custom printed pink headlight tint that they had specially made for me. I put on my car. I also love the Rainbow Starlight Smoke tint for my taillights. Adds a nice pop of glitter and matches my style and personality perfectly. So lately I've been installing a lot of dark smoke stealth for taillights, but I also like using it for chrome deletes because it adds a really cool finish to the trim pieces. They also made the process super easy for me. Overall, I love their product, the clarity, it just works great, installs great, looks beautiful every single time. Luxe LightWraps comes in a variety of shades and textures and finishes. It makes it really fun for your customers to pick and choose something that reflects their personality. LightWrap is an awesome option to add to your shop. Adding a little bit of Luxe LightWrap to your vehicle adds a lot of personality.